This question mentions stratified by age, and they talk about the word sample. So we're looking at working out how many students at our 16-year-old should be in the sample. Again, there's formulas to remember. So the number in a stratified sample equals the proportion of the group in the original population times the sample size. So the number in the stratified sample group must equal the proportion of this group in the original population times the sample size. Now the reason that works is because stratified sampling is about taking the same number of students into your sample that was in the same proportion as in the original population. Now the population of this student body is given as 300. So we know what the proportion will be out of. And for calculate the number of 16-year-olds, well 16-year-olds was 68. So 68 out of the 300 times the sample size they want. Well, the sample size is 50. So we're going to times by 50, and we're going to put all that into our calculator, and we're going to find that 68 times 50 equals, divide by 300 equals 11.3. So take a sample of 11 students. So again, it's about proportion. You know, we could have suggested 12 here, but on the basis of we want slightly more than 11, so we'll go to 12. But round to the nearest whole number is usually a good way to do it. Again, stratified sampling then is all about having the same proportion in your sample that was in the original group. And the formula simply says do the proportion in the group of the original population, which was 68 out of 300, and then times it by the sample size. And that gave us the number of students we choose. How we choose those students? Well, quite often you do it through a random selection, which means you'd have given all the 68 students who were 16 years of age a unique number, so from 1 to 68, and then you'll use the random generator like a calculator to produce random numbers between 1 and 68, and then you'd have pressed the random key enough times to get 11 unique random numbers, and then it would be those people you would choose. So stratified sampling, just a quick reminder of how to do it.